Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. Thank you for joining us for day 2 of the amazing collaboration with Love Light and Pink Beyond the Ribbon, brought to us by the amazing It's Art by Donna, our Hollywood queen, and big inspiration to so many of us. So today, I can only imagine this collaboration to so many has touched a lot of people in so many different ways, whether it be someone who knows someone who has been through this traumatic experience, or for those that have lost someone that were very close to them. Unfortunately, I've lost a few myself, and I think, for those who do survive and do continue, I think it's up to everybody to create awareness, hope, love, support, faith. Everything is important. I hope everyone watched day 1 of the collaboration. I seen Kim Arc Alchemy was yesterday, and what an amazing day 1 it brought to everyone. So all their links, everyone's will be in my playlist. Please, if you've missed anyone, go back and watch every artist that's put so much time into this beautiful collaboration today. So today's piece, we're going to go on a little bit of an adventure with some skin work. We're going to do some resining of trees, which I've never done before, so it was definitely an experience, but I just wanted to bring together a little tree of hope, life and love. So we're going to put our toe tapping shoes on, people. We're going to kick back and enjoy, and I hope you enjoy watching this creation come together. Once again, thank you, Donna, you're amazing. Thanks to all the artists that have come together for such an amazing cause. So, peace, love and life to everybody. Let's have some fun.
But the calmness in your voice says you moved on without choice. In the morning you'll be gone. I pictured you leaving all night long. I'm going under. I'm going under without you.
Okay, so our skin is dried. What I've managed to do is I found some really, really cool, beautiful little pieces. So we had a little heart, little star, show a little star. So this is what we just used all our skins for, that we made our radial for. Also, I did all of these, which I've made into little ribbons. So they're just skins that I've turned into little ribbons so we can hang them up as ornaments on our tree. And we've got these ones too. So my lovely wombat has been playing with the vinyl cutting machines again, having some fun, and I think they look pretty cool. So they're all going to be for our tree. Tree's dried really well, so I was happy with that. We did all the resin in between, a little bit of colour, a little bit of glitz and glitter. And then what I did, this was the project on the lounge after work. So once again, I cannot take credit for this gorgeous little ribbon here with all the little flowers and everything through it. Wombat actually made it for me. It's the first time I've actually incorporated vinyl with fluid art. So this one wasn't one of my freehand, only the flowers and things around the outside were, and the dots. But yeah, I thought that was something different to turn it into something beautiful. So we'll put that one aside too, because that's all going to come onto the tree. So what I got some really cool, say like $2 in your local Kmart if you're in Australia. I'm sure Spotlight sells them as well. And that way we can turn them into just a little hanging ornament for our tree. So this is what I've put together, and this is my little tree of hope. Bit of inspiration to people to get involved. You can turn something, you think about it, you know, I found this on the beach and it looked like it had its day, and you think, you know, you can always turn something back into something beautiful. And that's what I'm attempting to do now. So what we're going to do, we're going to get some bit more of this string, because I want to put a few more. I don't want to overdo it either. I don't think it needs a great deal, because what the idea is, I'm going to have a few of these hanging everywhere. And then we'll have our showpiece. Hopefully it's going to sit nice. Now what we're going to have to do, sometimes you've got to find the balance of what way the rope's going to turn the piece. And that can be the biggest challenge of all. Let's see. Winner, winner. So you can see these have also, it's got hope, we have love, and we have a bit of faith. Okay, what I might do, we're going to grab another piece, because now it's going to be sort of trial and error where we want them. So they're actually going to look not overdone, still showing off the, because I really like this piece of wood as well, because it had some great features. So I don't want to take everything away. Still want to see a bit of nature in the background. So we're just going to thread that through. Now, trick with this stuff, because once you do cut this type of rope, it really comes apart really easily. So before you tie it, you really want to give it a twist. Now I'm just going to get all them pieces together, because it only takes one bit to not come through this loop, and you're all going to be laughing at me because it just falls apart. It can be really frustrating stuff to work with. Really frustrating. Let's see if we got it. Yeah, see, there's one little piece. Alright, might have to redo that one. See what I mean? So finicky. It's only got to be that one little bit. What we'll do, make it a bit longer. And I must put a big shout out today to the amazing It's Art by Donna, our Hollywood queen. Such a amazing big heart. An amazing inspiration to myself, and I know to many, many others, for putting all the time and care and love she does into all her collabs. It's an absolute honour to be a part of any collab with Donna. So thank you for accepting me into this collaboration, Donna. It's an honour as always, And to all those out there, I will in my description will have a link so you know if you do want to donate to the charity of Donna's choice. I will definitely send the link your way. If everybody can do that little bit, it really goes a long way. When you think about it, if every person even donated $1, because the cost of living these days, it is very tough on a lot of people. So, and we all more than understand that. But you think, just $1 from a lot of people can be a lot of money. Doesn't take a lot. Just every little bit helps. And it could be absolute game changer to some people. Alrighty, so we got one more on. We need a longer one now.
Without you's my worst fear. I'm going under. I'm going under without you. You took your time and you made your mind that you can live your life without me. You took my heart right from the start. What once was filled is empty. In the morning you'll be gone. I pictured you leaving all night long. I'm going under. I'm going under without you. I can't breathe when you're not here. Living without you's my worst fear.
Alright, well we'll take you in for a close-up reel of all these little pieces around the Tree of Hope here. And I hope this Tree of Hope has created some inspiration to people and some awareness, some love, some hope. I hope more people get behind the charity because it is a cause that needs so much more support than it has right now. So once again, don't forget, I will have in my description, Donna will be having a fundraiser link on her channel. Please head to her channel and donate. It all goes to an amazing cause for so many beautiful women that really do need all our love and support. And that is it for me. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you all for being here and supporting this amazing collaboration. And please, come on over to the next chat because we have louiseart, amazing big sister of mine, beautiful artist and amazing person. So come on, let's all go over to the next chat and see what she's bringing to this amazing collaboration today. So as always guys, thank you for watching. Take care, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Go get messy.